Today, all places where a huge number of passengers cross borders face a big problem. How should these big numbers of people be handled without increasing the number of border control officers? It is a problem of the countries that there's mostly not so much money available, and therefore there must be a solution being offered where you efficiently can handle people's crossing borders without increasing the numbers of border control officers. We have at Giesecke Devrient an answer for this problem, and it is an automated border control gate, eGate as it is called. An eGate is a tool that actually helps people cross borders without the participation of border control officers. That means you just need your electronic passport, you get close to the gate, you show your passport or you put your passport on an electronic reader, and at this very moment the electronic device of the passport is being read. Actually, it's just the facial image, the birth date and the place of birth that it's being read from the e-passport. After the information is read from the e-passport, the gate opens and the person can enter the e-gate. And at this very moment, a lot of pictures are already taken from the person while entering the e-gate, and there is a continuous check of the images with the image stored on the electronic device. When there is an electronic match being found, the gate opens and the person can enter the country securely and safely. It is quite interesting for countries to set up these gates because usually one border control officer can control up to 6 gates at one time. So let's have a look into the future. We are seeing the trend that everything goes into the secure element of a smartphone, like contactless payment and many more applications that are being used today in smartphones. So our idea at GND is that we also bring the identity of a person onto the secure element of a smartphone. So with this secure element, it will be possible to go through an eGate. And the traditional e-passport, the paper-based document or the plastic ID card will be obsolete. The process will be pretty much the same. You use your smartphone, you put it on the contactless reader for the information to be read. But there is one small difference. The difference is that for reading a passport, you need to see the MRZ. That is the machine-readable zone, the combination of letters that you see at the bottom of your passport data page. This is obviously not available on a smartphone, and that is why we propose a process where you use your fingerprint to open the PACE protocol to read out the passport. Actually, we are not storing the fingerprint of the passport, but just a hash value. A hash value is a number derived from the fingerprint, and the special thing about the hash value is that you cannot re-engineer the real fingerprint from the hash value, so it is stored safely and securely, and that's why you can also store it in a way where you can have open access to this hash value. Once a person enters the gate, a lot of things happen in the background that no one is aware of course. But there are specific security checks being executed. For example, the personal data are matched to Interpol blacklists. They are AFIS systems, fingerprint matching systems, and many other databases are checked for security of this person. And of course, the chip is checked for integrity and authenticity, so that you can be sure that the document is a genuine one that was used to enter the gate. We at GND believe that mobile identities and e-gates are the answer for the increasing passenger numbers throughout the world.